Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to join a Discord server in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now click on your Discord server name. Now click on Invite People. Here you can see a link, you have to copy this. Now go back and press on this plus icon. Here you can see join a server, press on it. Now you have to paste the copy link. Now press on join server. So this is how you can join a Discord server in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.